This is a video of 18 mini chalkboards. They each come with, in the package, they're individual. They each come with a slide together stand. It comes with one eraser, and it comes with one big chalk stick. These are really cute. There's 18 per pack. They're really cool for get-togethers, parties, table assignments, anything that you would have a little bit of structure to, like a office Christmas party, maybe an office birthday party, whatever you would want something like this on your table. This gives it a little personalization, little homey feel, a little personable, I guess I want to say. Not really homey, but it's personable. Try to put this together. And there's, I just slid together that little stand that came in the back of that one, and voila, it just stands right up there. How cute is that? Alright, thanks for tuning in. Mini chalkboards, 18 per pack. Thank you.